Alright, boom. So, I'm about to make this pumpkin pie, nigga. We got bowl, pumpkin pie, nigga. Alright, so we gonna need eggs, salt, I don't know why, a little bit of vanilla flavored this shit, some cinnamon, you feel me, and milk. I ain't got carnation milk, so we gonna use this shit. What, bro? Anyways, yeah, let's get started. Last but not least, because I kind of forgot the most important thing. Come on. Sugar. All this shit. All of it. All of it. Alright, so he's completely safe, alright? This is made for like 1-year-olds, and he's like 20 days, so don't judge me. But anyways, you're gonna need these niggas, these little niggas. Let's get started. Boom. You're gonna need 1 cup, 1.5 cup of sugar. Woo. Boom. This big ass thing of sugar right here. Yeah, this shit. Boop. Yo, for all the mixes, put it in a separate bowl, and then the eggs gonna be in a separate bowl. Then you mix the eggs, then you do all this shit, then you put that shit in the eggs. Alright, y'all get it. Alright, cool. 1.5 cup. You know what I mean? I'm gonna go like 1 3/4. Alright, cool. Chef Key. Cinnamon. Ground.
Is that ground? I guess.
Tablespoon, we gonna do 2 of these motherfuckers. That's a lot of work.
Yeah, you should just do it. Just shake it in there. That's good.
That's not 2 tablespoons though.
You don't know. How you know?
Cause nigga, I got nigga senses to fuck.
Nigga. That's good.
No, it's not.
That's just gonna be extra cinnamony, and you're not gonna be able to eat it.
What?
Cinnamony is not a word.
Well, it is now.
Cinnamon. Alright, so now we gonna mix the
Eggs.
no, not the eggs. Damn, she fucking up Chef BoyR shit, man. Anyways, we gonna put some vanilla in this bitch.
A dash. Don't put too much.
Yo, let me
I'm
chef,
saying
bro.
it's gonna taste mad vanilla.
Let me chef, my nigga. Let me chef.
I'm a chef too, right?
Bro, I used to work at Little Caesars, bro.
Nigga, all you did was make pizzas.
I'm a chef, nigga. Back the
That's
fuck
not
up.
chef.
Anyways, vanilla.
You didn't even make the pizzas either. They all had
Yo, why you gotta come and fuck my video up, bro?
Look, come on.
Damn. Anyways, yeah, vanilla. Don't mix the eggs yet.
I'm just putting the eggs there. You need 4.
For what? I'm not gonna mix it up yet, girl. Like, what are you doing?
Can I get it out? Go.
Alright, boom. So now we add 29 ounces of pumpkin. Can I just do it with this?
Yeah.
Boop. Boop.
Ew.
Boop.
That sounds nasty.
Yeah, nigga. Gang shit. Gang shit. Gang shit.
Took a shit.
Gang shit, nigga.
Ugh, that smells mad strong.
She's mad dramatic.
No, that smells mad strong.
Gang shit. Yeah, you know, us Haitians, we like to get every little thing in that bitch.
Babe. Oh my god, I can't.
Yo.
It smells like baby food.
Yo. Stop complaining.
Shut the hell up. Okay. I dare you to taste a little bit of it. I'm just taking. It's not nasty?
No.
What does it taste like? Let me taste it.
Alright, now we're gonna put 24 ounces of milk. Yes, nigga, we got a baby bottle.
That's how we do, okay?
You feel me?
Okay. Alright.
That's 8 ounces. 16 ounces.
It look nasty. Ooh.
24 ounces. How many?
24.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. Stupid.
24.
Yeah. What?
Are you sure?
Yeah, you said 24, so I said 24.
Oh yeah, you're right. 24.
Where?
Right there. Right there. All right, boom. And now, sugar.
You don't know how to crack eggs.
Oh, nigga, damn, you scratched the shit out. You almost dropped the egg.
You almost dropped the egg.
Alright, so 4 eggs. Crack that shit.
Wait, I didn't do it right.
She can't crack eggs.
Yes, I can. That's why
I'm
you
gonna
ain't
show you how
doing
real
it.
niggas crack eggs.
You don't even know how to. Babe.
Nah, I'm playing. Watch.
No, you're gonna get shells in it.
Boop.
Oh my god.
Like a pro, nigga.
Don't worry about it.
Like a pro, nigga.
Oh shit. See, I don't know why I couldn't do it this time. It's because you here. You're bad luck.
You feel me? Alright, bet. And now you stir that shit up, you feel me? Just look at the flip of that wrist.
Flip? It's flip.
Oh.
Wait.
And now that everything is mixed in, of course, the wonderful Keonis had to fuck this up. But yeah, now all you gotta do is mix this motherfucker, you know what I mean? Just mix this bitch. Stir, and then we should be good. It looks ugly right now, but it's gonna look good when it's in this motherfucker, you feel me? Oh shit,
Zeus, go.
Yo, so as you do this, the oven is getting preheated at 425 degrees for 15 minutes. And then once we're done stirring it, we finna put it in this bowl right here that she fucked up. Well, it's like the crust, but yeah, we finna put it in here, put it in the oven for like 15 minutes, and then decrease the temperature to like 350, and we're gonna bake that shit for like 50 minutes. Boom. Alright, cool, let's get it. Look at the flick of that wrist. Look at the flick of that wrist.
See, look at you dropped
Yo,
it too.
son. Yo, it's my show. It's my show.
It's our show.
It's my
now,
show.
Nigga. Whatever's yours is mine.
Look at the
brother.
flick of that wrist. That wrist. Look at the flick of that wrist.
Look at.
Look at the flick of that wrist. That wrist. Look at the flick of that wrist. Yo, I need the shit. That shit.
Whisk. It's an electronic whisk.
Yeah, that shit. Stir. Ooh, we should put some Henny in this.
No, crazy.
Look at the flick of that wrist. 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 Look at the flick of that wrist.
Alright, so you should be stirring this bitch, right? No lumps in that motherfucker. No egg yolk, nothing in that shit. I like my shit smooth as fuck. Come here, let me show you. So, that shit should look like this, you know what I mean? Smooth, nigga. Told you I was a chef. Y'all niggas thought I was playing, you feel me? You ain't know what got in me, nigga. I do this. Alright, so that shit stirred the fuck up, you feel me? Yeah, I was in that motherfucker. So now, you know what I mean? Dip your finger in it, twist it around, taste that shit, make sure the sugar's good. Anyways,
What?
so now we're gonna dump this shit in here. You feel me? Apparently, this is supposed to be 2 pies.
You don't know how to read directions.
I only got 1. But we're gonna save the rest of this, put it in the fridge, and then buy another pie tomorrow and just fill that bitch up. And then boom, we have 2 pies. And we gonna be yeah.
Alright, put that shit in there.
So yeah, so now we're gonna dump this bitch.
Oh, it tastes good. Don't put it too much. Don't put too much. That's
Why?
good. Because then when it rises.
It be rising?
Yes.
Oh. Why?
What do you mean, why? It got cooked.
Yo, you could drink this like this, bro. Taste my finger.
Ah! What the hell? How?
Alright, so, boom. As you can see, pie is all in there and shit. Now we gotta put it in the oven for 15 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit, you know what I mean? F for fire, you feel me? Yeah, for 15 minutes at 425, and then after that, we're gonna lower the oven to 350. Once it's at 350, we're gonna let that shit sit in there for like 40 to 50 minutes, sometimes an hour, it depends on how this shit is, you know what I mean? And then, you know it's good because you're gonna dip your fucking knife in that bitch, and if any pie comes off, then it ain't good. But if you put your knife in and it comes out all clean, then you know that shit good, you feel me? So that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna go ahead and put that motherfucker in. And voila, 15 minutes later. And this is all from me poking it and shit. So, boop. And the fucking knife comes out clean. It should be good. Nice crispy crust on the outside. And now, I'm pretty much gonna take it out the oven, set it down right here. Let it sit for like 2 hours so it kind of, you know what I mean, cool off, and then it should be ready to serve. So yeah. But alright guys, so the pie is all done. It's out the oven. I'm actually letting it sit for like 2 hours, which I probably will start poking around that motherfucker because I don't have the patience to wait 2 hours. But you're supposed to let it sit for 2 hours. That way it cool off, and you know what I mean, it'll be good to serve. So hey, if y'all like this video and you want me to make like more of this baking shit and all this bullshit, cooking and all that, let me know. Yo, like and comment, subscribe, do all that. Let me know, comment below, and just let me know how we did, you know what I mean? I did all the cooking, or the baking, but I did all of it. She ain't doing nothing. But let me know, and we'll do like a duo thing or whatever, or even like I cook, she cook, and we see which videos is better. I don't know. But something like that's finna go down, so y'all just gotta let me know, and I'll give y'all what y'all need, you feel me? So, deuces.